All right, so real quickly, I just kind of want to go over the course and just show you what it looks like at first. So we're going to start at this corner. So on this course, I have set up actually on part of a pickleball course that we have, pickleball court, excuse me, that we have taped in the gym. So we started this corner with the scooters. We then have this is just a giant Connect 4 board actually that we're using. So we set this up so that when the students complete a lap, they can grab a Connect 4 piece and drop it in their row so they know how many laps they've done. So that way, it makes it kind of competitive as well sometimes, so you see how fast some students can get it, how many laps they can do in the allotted time that I will give them. All right, so we start there. We move from our scooters. We go over to our first stack. So we have to go around that first stack. All right, then we go to the white line, make a turn. Then we come up to our other stack cups. So we have to go under that one. We have to go under that one. Also, I like to stress to the students, if they knock anything over, if they knock the stacks cup over, the cones over, anything like that, they have to stop and set it back up. All right, it is their responsibility. If they knock it over, they have to bring it back up. All right, then we have our obstacle again that we have to go around that yellow bag here. So we go around this. All right, then we come over to our other turn. So we turn here at the purple line. We're going across to our red mat. All right, once we get to our red mat, red means stop. Okay, red means stop. So they stop off their scooters. All right, they stop off their scooters. Then we have our 2 bins against the wall here. As you can see, there's balls down there as well. So once they stop, they grab one of those balls and then they have to toss it in to the bucket. Once they get into the bucket, they get to jump back onto their scooters. All right. So let's say I threw it in there, made it, we get to jump back onto our scooters, and then we go to our final stretch. So now we have our cone set up. We're just going to go in between the cones. We're zigzagging in between the cones. All right, so we come up to our cone, go around this one, zag around this one, back around, and then we get back to the beginning. All right, so again, this is where they get off. They grab one of their tokens, and then they throw it in there, and then they just start it over. All right, and again, there's a bunch of modifications and different things you can do throughout this, which I will show you here shortly.